Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to find CNFANS promo code in 2025. So it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already have some coupon over here. 100% win up to 150 CNY unlimited coupon. So you can click over here. So in this way you can find a coupon, or if you want to find out further more coupon, then you can use it some third-party option or website like Facebook, Instagram. Also we have bunch of website like coupon, and let's click over here and you will get option for many coupons website where you can find out your desired coupon for desired store. So let's check this out one by one. So here you just search your CNFANS. If they are providing you, then you will allow to find it or able to find it from this platform. So in this platform we are not getting this CNFANS coupon code, so we need to be remove it. Again, go another channel and search here. Here we also don't have any, so we need to be cross it. Let's go with this one. Like you need to be find out one by one which one works for your CNFANS, then find out here and let's check this out. Yes, we have option brand match CNFANS coupon. Here you can see, or if you are looking for some influencer, you just need to be go on the YouTube and then search for CNFANS and search here, and you will get many influencers who are providing coupon codes in their description. So the process is really simple. I hope you learned many things from this video. Now you can easily grab any coupons if you want for CNFANS. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.